To remove part of your video or segment of your video, you need to find exactly where you want to remove from your timeline here at the bottom or from the right side panel. So let's say I want to remove this segment here from this frame until this frame. I want to remove the whole segment. All I need to do is click on it and select the event, select the segment. And from the right side panel, I can see that the segment is highlighted. There is this border around it and it means it's selected. Now, all I need to do is just click on delete narration or this trash icon here. And when I do that and I press OK, the entire segment is, as you can see, removed from my timeline. Now, let's say I want to remove this part as well, okay? But when I click on it and I select it, I see there's no trash icon anymore. It means that this segment is different from the previous one. The previous one was a pause narration, but this one is actually contains multiple events. So this means that in order to remove this segment, I have to do something entirely different. All I need to do is just click on this gear icon here, event settings, and then there will be a few events listed. So you need to turn off each of these events to disable the entire segment. So let's click on the first one and then click on the gear icon again, turn off the second one, and finally the last one. Okay, and now the segment on the timeline is grayed out. As you can see, this means that it's disabled and it won't be played in your video. So that's how you remove part of your video. Sometimes you don't really need to remove that part in the video. You just, because you want to see the cursor moving around, and you just don't want to have a voiceover on that part. In that case, you need to just click on the segment you want to mute, and then from there, you need to click on the mute icon. Here, I don't have the mute icon because this is a pause narration, but sometimes, for example, here, you see this mute narration. It means that if you click on it, then you will still see the video, the cursor moving around, but you won't hear the voiceover. So let's just click on this mute narration. Okay, and now we have this segment in the video, but we don't hear actually anything. Yeah, you see, the segment is played and the cursor is moving around, but it was completely mute. So that's how you remove or mute part of your video in Clevera. Thank you for watching. See you later.